demolition time!
Did you get a crowbar?
Crowbar! Oh, Henry, please don't honk the horn.
Nailed over it, so next time.
Oh, now we know. Ah.
That's cool. Thank you.
Progress update. The carpet is mostly out of here. Found some water damage on the subfloor in here. Took this out from over those. We'll put it back, but the flooring needs to go underneath everything. Still need to start on this stuff. This was already peeling, so should be pretty easy. Casey's in here tackling the most challenging job.
Roof carpet is the worst thing to ever happen.
Wood is glued to the styrofoam, and so we can't just take the wood out because the styrofoam breaks.
If you're not too careful, it runs off.
Yeah.
The carpet is glued to the wood, hence all the shit left behind.
So, but we can't replace the styrofoam, so we have to just take the carpet out.
No, it was screwed down. We'll fill the holes.
Show me the dirt.
Look, this is just the dirt that was under carpet right here. And
Carpet's so gross.
Anyone who willfully puts carpet in a house has never pulled carpet out. Because it's a f***ing skin filter. That's just skin. And dog toenails.
Gross.
Hold on. Almost there.
You can do it! Air conditioning works well. I really like my roll.
You're gonna make any sense.
gonna go potty.
Okay, you're gonna go inside?
Can you get inside? Do you need any help?
Do you need help since you've got that jumpsuit on? You want Mom to come help you?
No, I figured out a way to get it off.
I've seen him get it off. Can you make it? Okay. Never happened to you, Mom.
I'll edit that out.
Alright. Nobody uses the cleat. I do it one time. Hangs me up. I don't see this one.
It kind of looks like there might be.
I know, it's tricky. You couldn't see it from underneath.
Woohoo!
The last one?
I think so, yeah.
Cool RV, Henry. Did you build that?
Yeah. It's got a bed in the front of the RV.
It's got a bed in the front?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Do the sides open up like... Oh no, I knocked the front off. I fixed it.
That's there's nothing inside.
I see it. Oh, Henry, I smushed your RV. I'm sorry. We can rebuild it, huh? Oops. Next, we seal the roof. Welcome to the top. We are here to reseal this skylight. This is where all the water damage inside has come from. This guy right here. Everything else looks okay. I don't know about this Max Air fan. I'm gonna have to open that up and see how that's sealed on the inside. That's good. Just step in it. Calling it done. We've definitely got the known leak taken care of. And this self-leveling sealant will flatten out as it cures. It should just make a nice, good seal around that. Yeah, the outer layer is coming right off. Yeah!
Take it down. Well, do you have your screwdriver?
Oh yeah, we can replace this with a digital one.
Where is he? Oh, Henry! I found you! That was a good hiding spot.
Your turn, Dad.
Is he in there?
It's also like glued on. To be continued.
So weird that we have water in this thing. Makes it feel very like a house. The water damage in the bedroom. The bathroom skylight, right? Leaking down.
That was definitely leaking. It's just a question of
and
whether
back.
we made it back.
Or the outside hose hookup leaking in and through.
Which I think is suspect because it's definitely leaking and you can see the water damage in the hole right there.
This is the skylight in the bathroom. Shower, shower, shower. And so there's water damage on the floor. And a Henry all going down.
So the water came in there, but it got under the linoleum and stayed here.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, this actually looks really good now that it's tried out. It's solid. It's not soft. And most of this discoloration is actually just adhesive backing from the linoleum, so it peels off. So.
It's glue.
And the toilet's still coming in at some point, so we can verify there's no leaks there.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like it.
We would know.
Looks like water
this
came
would be soggy.
from the skylight down, and it goes like in and out of the shower, and then there was linoleum kind of trapping it on all the cracks and stuff. Yeah, and rolling down that way. The floor looks great right here.
So everything's been resealed, and we'll replace that one valve, and that should be the end of our leaking load. Alright, Mr. Henry, I have a job for you. I need you to keep up with these sanding pads. Don't lose them. They're very important. Take a look.
Oh, here. Show them.
This was hard to find, but there is a hot water heater bypass valve here. And I thought something was up because I couldn't get hot water to flow, and I heard the gas turn on. And it ran for like 2 minutes, and then it shut off. And I was like, there's no way it heated up the water that fast. But this valve lets you bypass it so that when you're winterizing, you don't fill up the 6-gallon water tank with antifreeze. Now let's see what kind of gunk is living in the hot water heater. You guys ready for this?
Well, the hose is turned way
The
down.
hose is way down and the tank is filling up. So let me go turn the hose up just a notch. Well, that's no good.
Oh no,
We've discovered a problem.
that doesn't have a cap on
It's
it.
uncapped.
Oh god. Did you do that or was it like that?
No, it was like that.
Side?
Yeah, at least it's not like draining into the cab. So someone did drain this at some point.
Oh yes. And that's
Why didn't we have any
it
water
would
pressure?
make sense to leave that off.
Yeah.
You can probably sneak it on there now. It is dripping a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Like more than it was when it was off.
Alright, so our drain plug was out. Got it fitted back in, and it was still leaking a little bit. Unfortunately, none of the local hardware stores have one in stock, so that'll be coming on Amazon. So I got some Teflon tape, tape it up and see if we can get it sealed. Really inconvenient location. Alright, that's pretty far in there. Let's give it some juice. One more crank for good measure. That's the one that really sealed the deal there. It looks like we're good.
I am so ready to see some progress happen in this RV. And I'm gonna get the sander and prep these walls for paint. Tape off everything. In between those two steps, I'm gonna wipe all the dust away. Yeah, let's do it.